Has your roof seen better days? If so, then now is the perfect time for an upgrade. Beyond functionality, modern homeowners are eager to enhance the curb appeal of their properties. This has given rise to innovative roofing designs and materials that add a touch of style to every home.
I started out with old homes and barns. That's what I did, you know, and now we're doing everybody's home. We've been in business since 2004, and we've been putting on really nice roofs on really nice homes. I've always loved older homes, which we have a lot of in our beautiful Hudson Valley.
For more than 2 decades, Sheeley Roofing has been providing roofing services to the extended Hudson Valley region, delivering durable roofing solutions throughout the tri-state area.
Our company spends a lot of money to make sure that we're insured correctly to protect you and our employees and everyone who's involved in the industry. When looking for a roofing contractor, you want to look for good Google reviews, and you want to make sure that they've been in business a while. You can talk to people in your community and ask who they hired, you know, for their roof. That's always good. I have been putting on roofs on houses, and I've been busy for 20 years, all on word of mouth. The details are important because once the roof is done, if you haven't paid attention to the details and there are problems, it's costly for everyone, especially the homeowner. Our goal is to come into your property, put a new roof on your home, and when we leave, you are set. It's important that a reputable roofing contractor obtain the proper permits for your project. If we do not, you could find that your project is stalled in the middle.
Not every roof uses the same type of materials. For a durable and long-lasting roof, it's imperative that you choose the proper type of roofing materials for your home and your climate.
The most common roofing material is asphalt shingles on homes in our area for, homes of all ages. Even the older homes that you see will be roofed with asphalt shingles, even if their original roof might have been cedar shingles or metal or even slate. But in the Hudson Valley, older homes usually started their life with cedar shingles. And we do a lot of that, either replacing cedar roofs on stone homes or restoring the roof. There's 3 goals here for a roof, and the first one is a safe and dry home. The second be aesthetics, which also includes longevity, and then the third would be budget. The reason you see so many asphalt shingle roofs is that they are usually the least expensive. Cedar is a beautiful material. A cedar roof is 25 to 40 years. Metal, a little bit less money than a cedar roof, but more money than an asphalt roof. A properly installed standing seam metal roof will last generations. And on a lot of the new homes that you see going up in our area, you see standing seam roofing is the material of choice, aesthetically and for the longevity. There's a saying that copper is actually the cheapest roof you can put on your home because you'll never have to replace it. But it's definitely not the least expensive on initial outlay. Metal roofs are sustainable in the fact that the material is recyclable. So metal roof is definitely a very environmentally conscious choice if you are thinking about that.
Once you've chosen the right materials, the install process is next.
The install process can just be anywhere from a single day to maybe a week. If we're replacing a roof on your home, the first step, of course, is arriving and setting up all our equipment and protecting your landscaping and your deck to make sure that we don't damage your property. And then the next step is removing the old roof and checking for damage. A lot of times we will re-nail all the plywood decking that's on your home. We'll replace any wood that we find that's rotten. And then we install the underlayment, which is whatever is appropriate for the material we're installing.
Working with Sheeley was a great experience. I've known that they're a quality company who do dependable, reliable work. And when my house needed a metal roof, I called Pat. There wasn't a dumpster outside for a week. Everything was clean and neat and fast.
If you put an asphalt roof on your home with our company, we will be offering you a GAF Golden Pledge Warranty. The GAF Golden Pledge Warranty is 50 years of protection for you if something happens to your roof.
To find out more about Sheeley Roofing, visit SheeleyRoofing.com and designingspaces.tv.